Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Igri Gloria. So in this video, we are going to talk about tote bag making, the introduction to tote bag making. That's tote bag 101. So we are going to talk about all the material needed, what you need to start your tote bag journey. So please, if you like what you are seeing, please make sure that you watch the video to the end, and please subscribe to my channel so that each time I post a video you will be the first to watch the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. So today we are going to talk about introduction to tote bag making. So I'm going to take you through the process of all the material needed. So on the table here I have all the materials needed, and with me we have the tape roll for our measurement. We have our materials for our measurement. So all these I'm going to explain. So first of all, we have our tape rule. We know how important our tape rule is, so we're going to use tape rule. And we have our scissors, then we have our chalk for ruling your lines, to just have a perfect straight line. Also, we have our ruler. You use your ruler to join from one point to another to also have that perfect line. And also move to the material. We have different kind of material we use for tote bag. Like you see now, this golden yellow in my hand is a canvas material. It's very good, is of quality, and is very thick. Also the white one too is also a canvas material, is also very good and durable. So that's, yes, it's very strong, it's very okay when you use it for the tote bag. It's very okay. Yeah. So also the golden yellow too is also very okay. See how beautiful it is very strong, but the color is very vibrant. Oh. And also moving on our table, we have the common one, which is chinos. That's chinos material. It is very common and you can see it everywhere. So that is chinos material, and the material is top notch. It's of good quality. The good quality material. So that is chinos material. It's very common. And also we have jeans material. Yes, jean fabric. You can use your jean fabric. It's also called dennis. So it's either call it jeans or dennis material. Is also used for tote bag making, and they are all, it will give you a very neat and clean and strong bag. It also is very okay. Please, if you are watching today's level, please like and subscribe to my video. Please. Okay. Yes, I'm going to make a video to show you how to put those design, the write up, and also the picture in my next video. Please make sure that you stay tuned to my channel, please. Yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Mwah, love you all. And also, in continuation to material needed for our tote bags. So in making tote bags, you either use zip or button for closing your bag. So this particular buttons here, this one that you see on the screen, yes, you use it to lock your bag. You either use this particular button or you make use of zipper. I'm going to make a video to show you how to fix this button into your bag, how to fix it, and also how to fix your zip. Please make sure you stay tuned to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel so that each time I upload a video you will be the first to be notified. So this is how the buttons look like. They comes in three. So I'm going to make a video to show you how to fix those buttons that you can able to click it. So your bags will either have either the pin, which is very good, the pin or the zip in your bags. So I'm going to make a video to show you how to fix the buttons. Yes, so when you fix it, you'll be able to clip your bag. To be able to clip it, you close it, and it's, yes, then you have your perfect finishing, you have your perfect bag. So yes, so you either use the zipper, you either use the zip or the button to finish your bag. Thanks for watching. Please